I may have to run. We got a dandy on here. Oh, cool. All right, buddy. Thanks.
Did the old hillbilly marlin.
This is going to make a real hard picture for you to look at.
That's all right. She catches the big ones on my boat too. Of course,
I still think it's something to do with estrogen.
She sleeps in the front of the boat till we all got our limit, and then she pops up and grabs the last rod, the last fish, and it's always the whopper.
And this is the last fish today. What can you say?
And she set the hook herself.
She did. She did a good job. A really good job. What's the countersafe footage?
85.
You might have a ways.
Got some time left.
What does the clock say on my camera? Because it only records 10 minutes at a time. So.
It says 8 minutes left.
How long a video will it take?
10 minutes at a time.
What's going this way?
It's alright. There's nothing out there. You can just fight it. Go ahead, go over to this side, sir. Over the motor. Tired yet? He seems to be leaving.
Yeah, I don't know how big he was, but that was a heck of a splash.
He was 4 feet long.
Going back up.
I hear a lot of grunting and groaning going on over there.
Back, he was at 30 feet, now he's back out at 65.
You know, somebody's getting their butt kicked. I'm just not sure who it is yet. Looks really slow. You don't want to peel the line off there if you don't have to. Oh, this is a nice fish. This is a dandy. Well, I'm going to sit down over here for a little bit. So.
Are you going to be able to make it?
Just hold on to that rod real tight. That's $300 in your hand.
Oh, he's back out to 90 feet.
Need me to help you?
No.
You're gaining on him now, aren't you? Don't let that line touch the boat. It touches the boat, he'll cut you off just like a knife. Half step in your boat.
gonna jump again.
Or not.
Ooh, I see a weight. Oh yeah.
You're doing good. He's going to run on you a little bit again. He's starting to get tired. I haven't seen him blowing bubbles yet. Generally, when they start getting real tired, you'll see bubbles coming up the top.
There he's blowing bubbles.
Here you go, right over my head. Over my head.
Nice.
That's a nice fish. Hold on
Good
tight.
way to start the day. End the day. That's a 4-footer.
Oh, it's all of that. All of that. That's a nice fish. Look how fat.
Ooh, good job.
Very, very good job.
Oh, my lower back hurts.
That's what I was concerned with. Holding on to one of them for a couple hours.
I got him not that good in the mouth. I'm lucky that didn't rip right out of there.
He's just fine.
You get my gloves on with these open. Okay, you're gonna have to take a picture.
So you want me to stop recording?
Oh yeah.